Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the BluArmor C30. I have in fact purchased two units. One I've removed from the main box and second we'll unbox right now. And we'll quickly browse through what all features it provides and how quickly can we install it in a helmet. So let's start with the unboxing. Let's quickly go through the pricing first. So I purchased this at 14,998. Okay, this is the price for two units, the early bird price or the pre-booking price, and the MRP if you go now on the website would be somewhere around 11,000 rupees. I think they're still running a campaign of 1,000 rupees discount where it will be available at 10,000 rupees. I'm not sure by till when that will be available, but the latest price will always be on their website. So I purchased two on purpose so that I can know if me and my son or me and my wife are riding together, so we can pair this units easily. I also have two of Senna 30Ks and two of ASGs, so I usually try to pick them in pairs so that the family member riding with me can pair easily. So now let's quickly look at the box, how it looks. It's quite heavy duty box, well packed. I would say 10 out of 10 as of now. So this is the branding, this is the name C30, manufacturer is BluArmor, and these are the quick features: IP67 rating, ride grade, it's got mesh technology, Bluetooth 5.1, sound is by JBL, and these are the features over here in design and all this stuff. So you guys can maybe pause this and read. Okay, there's going to be an app also for it. And now let's quickly remove this from the box and check further. The packing, as I said earlier, is very decent, very upmarket, very premium. You get your own card, like my name and all is written over here, serial number is here, all the details are here. It's a magnetic box, by the way. And there is your unit. It's quite huge and heavy, to be frank, heavier than your ASG as well as heavy than your Senna 30K. Those who are using these two products, you can for them to compare. This is your complete microphone and earpiece setup. So it seems plug and play, and it has got a lock also over here. So this is the old USB stuff, not the type C, it's the earlier one. I guess it goes in this way or this way. It's this way. It doesn't go in easily. Why? I'll check that later. Let's check the contents of the box further first. Oh wow, so you get some tapes and spacers to put it inside your helmet if it if you have to extend it further. You get a chunky type C charging cable. Looks like this has got a type C charger somewhere, which we will, okay, it's here, then I think this is your helmet mount. Okay, and this seems to be yours. This one seems to be your sticky on the helmet. If you don't want to use this, I guess you can use this. No, it's like this. I'll try these things later on. And of course you have one Allen key, I guess, to install these screws. Nothing else in the box, it seems. No paperwork, no manual, where it says installation manual can be got from this barcode. So let me get that first. I figured out the USB, your what do you call your micro USB. It was easy to put in, nothing fancy, and there's a lock which you can secure the USB with. Okay, then they've given two different mounts to mount on your helmet. One is this sticky one. I would avoid this one because after prolonged use this it loses its gum, so you can either slide this one in here and lock it, or you can slide this one here and secure it with bolts. I will prefer this mount. Again, this mount looks heavy duty. The back side is metal, front side is plastic. Once I install it on the helmet, I'll show it to you. And to turn on, you just have to press this one. Okay, a slightly long press, and it starts.
Battery 30%.
It tells your battery status, which is really nice, and the speakers seems to be loud enough. I will try and run some music in this and check the sound quality compared to Sena. Few people are already using it in Bangalore because this is where it was released first, and they're quite happy with the quality of the sound. So next, let's install it quickly in the helmet and check. So I'm going to be using this metal clamp to install the unit on my empty Stinger. So you just loosen this. Okay, as I loosen it, you create additional gap over here. Okay, and then in a helmet you can simply slide it inside. Okay, nothing fancy here. Once it has gone inside, turn it around and tighten this bolts in its place. Once this is done, turn your helmet again, and now it's time to put the main unit inside. Just slide it and you should hear this cut kind of sound, and the armor, the BluArmor unit, C30 unit is in place. Next, we're going to install the speakers inside. So you'll have to remove your armors and your cheek pads and keep. And then there's one easy way out. You can slide it inside and keep it as it is. Or if your helmet cell size is very big, then you can use the paddings given by BluArmor. Okay. Well, ideally you should be sticking the very first one that they've given, the very thin one. You stick this inside over here, and then you hold the speaker with the velcro inside. Okay, so if you want a permanent fitting, you can do this. If you are planning to keep moving your unit from one helmet to another, like I've got 4-5 helmets, so I keep doing that. So I usually do not stick it permanently inside. And then you got additional spacers inside. Like if you got a very large cell size, you can use this to let the speaker come out. Otherwise just one or the base unit should be fine. For now, as I said, I'm going to leave this as it is inside over here. Okay, and put this padding back. Okay, it's going to be a bit tedious. Let me finish this and then show it to you.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we are free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just want to breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Dark won't close my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive.
So what I've done is for the wire that comes on the right hand side, for the cable or the speaker wire that comes after the speaker is tucked in, I've passed the wire from the back side of the cushion of the rear part of your helmet. Okay, once that wire comes here, then you can adjust the microphone over here. Okay, like this, like here is my microphone. If you want to zoom in and see, it's here, and it's all gone behind this left cushion where your C30 is. And for the wire that goes, for the cable that goes inside the USB, okay, leave a little extra wire so that it can go around the cushion, go around this cushion that you have to tuck in. And it's kind of, when you put this cushion inside the helmet, your wire is moving around like this, okay. Otherwise you can give a cut or a slot like this, which I have done in my MT Thunder 3 long back. But later on I realized that this helmet with this kind of slim thin cable, it doesn't require a cut, so I've tucked in that way. Make sure this is not too tight, it is little flexible, otherwise this is going to chop off someday. So there you are, your installation is complete. And in fact I have finished the installation on my other helmet also, which is my Nico, and I'll be riding with this Nico helmet to IBW soon. So the feedback for connectivity, sound, etc., everything I'll give on this armor, on this BluArmor, while in my ride vlogs. So do watch out for my ride vlogs. So that was a detailed installation stuff and unboxing part. Now I'm sure people are more interested in the features and all. So this has got basic Bluetooth 5.1 is there. It gets the basic calls, music, navigation, voice assist support, WhatsApp support. I mean, it can read out the WhatsApp messages and all. And what else? It can connect up to 20 riders in mesh, create groups like riding buddies, 1.1 kilometers range. You can listen to music while in the mesh, and there's a latch-on phone call to mesh, then latch-on ride link, intercom. All these features, probably once I use the app more, I'll be able to explain more. And how about like how is the sound quality and all? You'll have to watch out for my ride vlogs. So whenever I ride next, probably I'm riding to IBW, so that time I'll be using the Bluetooth intercom, and I'll tell you the feedback about how long the battery lasts, and how is the connectivity, how is the Bluetooth connectivity with the phone and all, like basic functionality, how it is working fine or not. I'll be speaking out in those vlogs, so do check out for those vlogs. And apart from that, if you have any questions, do let me know. Of course, I've not gone into the detailed features. Like I said earlier, that will come out in the future videos. With that said, I'll end my vlog here. I hope you like the content. If yes, like, share, subscribe, and see you in a new video very soon.